Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money using this website on Autopilot. It is free and available worldwide. Also, it pays with PayPal. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on Autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. As a result, this is the primary means by which you will make money. As you can see, they promise a bigger, better, faster, and safer way to make money online. It is available all across the world and is entirely free. The way this works is that you will be paid for each file you upload. So you upload some files, they market them to their users, and you get paid every time someone downloads a file that you have uploaded for free to this website, which can be any file you want. You'll make more money if you submit more files, and I'll show you which files we'll be posting and where you can get them for free for the best results. They're paying you because when someone clicks the download button on this website and tries to download one of your files, they'll be redirected to an ad landing page where they'll be shown some ads that they can skip before downloading the file you've uploaded. As a result, this platform distributes ad money with you, and the ads benefit both you and this platform. That isn't relevant to you right now. All that matters is that you upload stuff and get paid. It's as simple as that, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So if you go to the Make Money Right Here part, we'll see that you may get paid up to $16 for every 1,000 downloads of your files, and you'll need at least 25 to get paid from this website. So once you've accumulated 25 downloads, less than 3,000, you can cash out and spend the money on whatever you like. You can now refer your friends and relatives to this service if you want to make even more money with it. Hey, here's my referral link. You can tell someone who wants to make extra money online. They can join up for daily uploads and obtain pages for uploading files. And you can offer them your referral link or share it on social media, Facebook groups, and other places. This is also a way for you to earn some more cash. In fact, if you refer someone to our website, you will receive 10% of their lifetime profits, which means that if they earn $1,000, you will receive $100 without having to do anything. Yeah, this website is called Daily Uploads, and it can be accessed at dailyuploads.net. Again, dailyuploads.net, and when you go there, I want you to join up for a free account by clicking the sign up button right here. Now you must fill out some basic information such as a username for your new account, a valid email address in the box, a password, retype that password, and possibly payment information in this box. Simply click the submit button once you've done all of these steps, and you'll have successfully registered for dailyuploads.net. When you sign up for the daily uploads, you'll see something like this. You may now either drag and drop different files or browser files to upload by clicking here. Again, the more you publish and post on this website, the more money you can make because you're paid per download, and the more downloads you receive, the more money you can make. 1,000 download equate to around 16. If you receive more downloads, you will earn more money. That's all there is to it. But where can you get such files for free so you may use them in daily uploads and earn money? I propose choosing items that will be useful to others for the best results. If this is the case, they'll be more inclined to download them from regular uploads. Of course, you can upload various files such as PDF files, ebooks, tutorials, and useful information that you found online and then packed into a Word document and uploaded that document, which is also a good option. But what I prefer to do is use Pexels, which is located at pexels.com and is a website where you can get free stock photos and videos, and which is a website that not many people are aware of, but that many people can benefit from. And they're all free. So go to pexels.com, click on the videos right here, and you'll see thousands of different stock videos that you can download and use for free. You also get complete creative license to do whatever you want with the work without attribution to the creator. So if you want to locate business videos, I can go to the search box and key in business, then hit the search button and all of these videos will appear. If I come across something particularly intriguing, such as the high definition video, I can just click on it and use the free download option right here. It's as simple as that. I'm ready to use that video now that I've downloaded it to my computer. Everything was free and it took only few seconds, right? All you have to do now is pick a video that you enjoy or at least something intriguing to you. Let's pretend I'm looking for something that has to do with success. I'd go to the success category and see what I could come up with, and maybe this one. I'll just click the free download button and it'll be on my computer in no time. Pexels.com makes it simple to get a variety of videos, and you can literally find 1,000 professional stock videos right here, which is insane. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. All you have to do now is go back to dailyuploads.net and click the Explore button right here, which will take you to a folder where you can find the videos you previously saved to your computer. Let's say I want to upload this one. I'll simply double-click it and choose Start Upload. I'll wait a few seconds and the file will be successfully uploaded to dailyuploads.net. Now, this is the link I can share with others, and even if I don't, Daily Uploads will send us some free traffic from their own users because they obviously want us to make money, because when we make money, they make money. So they will send you some free traffic as well. If you don't want to wait and want to get the most out of your result, simply copy this link and share it wherever you want. Simply share it because the more people who use your link to download a file, the more money you will earn. Now, you must enter some basic information such as a username for your new account, a valid email address in the box, a password, which you must retype, and possibly payment information in the box. Once you've completed all these steps, simply click the Submit button to complete your registration for dailyuploads.net. YouTube is a great place to promote your links, as is Pinterest. You can also use different forums from findaforum.net, which is a completely free platform that gives you access to thousands of different forums. You can join these forums, start a conversation, and share your link with them. Tell them, hey guys, you can download some free stock footage through this link. It's completely free to skip those ads, and they'll be grateful because you're giving them free files to download in seconds. And you'll be grateful because you're making money. Simply search for files to download on Google and upload them to dailyuploads.net. If you don't want to rely solely on dailyuploads.net traffic and instead want to maximize your results and earn a lot more money, I strongly advise you to check out this software, which will essentially do all the work for you and get you unlimited free traffic in under 29 seconds. You can simply paste your links into the software to promote any website you want. The software can help you do that, and it's not just for dailyuploads.net links. You can also use it to promote your own links and earn affiliate commissions as well. You can promote CPA links, YouTube channel connections, or anything else you want. It is an excellent piece of software. This is the most recent app for generating traffic. It generates free buyer traffic on Autopilot, so they won't just click on your link. Beta testers are currently experiencing actual free buyer traffic. It's excellent for first-time visitors because all you have to do is set it up in a few minutes, paste your links, and sit back and enjoy the traffic. Furthermore, you will either receive traffic or they will pay you $250 from their own money, which is absurd. This traffic and imperfect Autopilot software isn't completely free. But it isn't hundreds of dollars either. You can get it for less than $30 and have lifetime access to it if you use the link in the description below. You can use it indefinitely and gain unlimited traffic to whichever URL you like. You are not obliged to advertise solely dailyuploads.net links. You can promote affiliate links, CPA links, and anything else you choose. People are getting older and experiencing some consequences, which you can see for yourself by clicking on the first link in the explanation below. That's how you can complete everything in under 29 seconds and earn some extra cash. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money using this website on Autopilot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.